Yo, 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 Team Triggerful here. Today we're going to do a review on this keyboard. I don't know the name of it. I just found it in the basement.
Isn't it a Logitech?
Yeah, it's a Logitech. That's all I know.
Maybe it's on the bottom?
Maybe it's on the bottom? I don't know.
The model. It should be.
The model is warning. Some experts believe that use of any keyboard may cause serious injury. That's the name of this keyboard, I think. Alright. I haven't used this keyboard in ages. As you can see, it's very dusty. Ugh. Oh, ugh, I can't believe I'm wiping it with my hands. Alright, so this is the volume. Yeah. Volume is all cool.
Can you look at your Steam?
Okay, so let's have a sound test of this incredibly old school keyboard. Oh, let me also tell you that the legs fell out, so I can't prop it up. So I have to use these playing cards to get the proper feel. All right, let's do a sound test.
I gotta find you. Whoa, so interesting. Leave a thumbs up.
Ooh.
Thumbs up.
All right, so that's how.
Can I try? Leave a thumbs up. Can I try?
That's how it sounds
Can I
like.
try? Like, subscribe. Jana.
All right.
Yeah, this is just really weird. Hello.
Oh my God. No.
we're photoshopping your thing, even though
Close off the video.
All right, that's all we have today. Oh, I have to go now. All right, Team Triggerful signing off.